Want to hunt down hidden malware on your iPhone? First, swipe through your home screen and app library looking for unfamiliar apps. When you spot one, press and hold its icon, choose Remove App, then tap Delete App to uninstall it. Next, open the Files app and browse iCloud Drive on my iPhone and Downloads. Delete any oddly named folders or documents you didn't create. If that doesn't solve it, check for background drain by opening Settings, tapping Battery, and spotting apps using excessive power, then opening Settings, selecting Cellular or Mobile Data, and looking for apps burning data when you're not actively using them. Overheating while idle can also indicate malicious activity. Remove any app that's misbehaving. If suspicious behavior continues, back up your photos and settings to iCloud or your computer, then navigate to Settings, tap General, choose Transfer or Reset iPhone, and select Erase all content and settings. After your device restarts, restore from backup to wipe out any lingering malware and start fresh. If this helped you, tap like, share your top iPhone security tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick iOS guides.